Good morning, class 3rd. Yesterday I have told you, I've explained you that what is alphabets and how to arrange them in alphabetical order. Yes, so here is your exercise. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. Means these are the words are given there and we have to arrange them in a alphabetical order. So for that, the easiest way I will tell you, first of all, write A to Z your all the alphabet. There are 26 alphabets and you have to write these alphabets. Okay, so write this alphabet in your notebook from A to Z. Start writing. A, B, C. See, I have written now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I'm giving you the time. Please start writing. Yes, have you written it? Alright. So your first number is cow, camel, cat. Sorry. It's written crow, camel, cat and cow. So see, everything is starting from C. Right? All the alphabets, all the words are starting from the alphabet C. Right? Then what we will do? Yes, we have to look for the second number. That is your here in crow it's R, in camel it's A, in cat it's A, and in cow it's C. Sorry, it's O. Right? So okay. So you know that camel and cow is your smallest. So what we will do, we will look at the third number. That is, here it's M and here is T. Now look in this table. Okay, M is here and T is okay. So what will come first? Camel. Yes, your first one will be your camel. Second, cat. Now third, R and O. So look here. O is here and R is here. So what will come? Cow. And then after that, crow. Okay. First one will be your camel. Second one will be your cat. Third one will be your crow. Cow. And third one will be your crow. Can you see it? Yes. I think now you know that how to arrange them in your alphabetical order. Yes, do you know? Yes. Other one is so, sun, shampoo, ski. If you want, we can also write 1, 2, 3, 4 before every alphabet. Okay. So shampoo. Soap, sun, shampoo, ski. Ski means, you know the meaning of soap, sun, shampoo, isn't it? Ski meaning means sports. Okay. So SSS you can't find out, even I can't find out. So we will look for the second one. It's O. What it is? It's O U H K. So which is the smallest? H, isn't it? Yes, H. So shampoo will be your first number. Then K is there, then ski will be your second number. Then third number, it's O or U. So let's find out. O is here and U is 21st. O is 15. So your smallest will be soap, third number, and sun will be your fourth number. Let's see. Yes. Now, pants, power, pack, paint. Now everything again is starting from P, isn't it? Everything is starting from P. Let's find out the now what will come first. A, O, A, A. So this one will be your fourth number. It's sure. This one will be your, it will come in your fourth number. A, A, A. So we will look at the third alphabet. N, C, I. Okay. C is your smallest, as you can see that it's in your third number. So this will be pack will be your first number. Now N and I. Now I is here, means it's in ninth number, and N is your in 14 number. So third number will be second number will be your paint, and third number will be your pant. Start writing. Take a screenshot and start writing. Pack, paint, pant, power. Pack, paint, pant, power. Alright. Your fourth number is table, town, tea shop, ticket. Again, everything is starting from alphabet T, right? So we will look at the second alphabet, that is A, O, E, I. So you know A is your smallest, so first number will be your table. It's your first number. Second number, okay, O, E, I. E is in your fifth number, so this will be your second number. Now I and O. So I is in your ninth number and O is in your 15th number. So what will come here? Yes, third number will be your ticket, third number, and town will be your in fourth number. Now, do you know the meaning of town? Town means the areas which are not whether they are not either the cities and not the village, like our Maudaha. It is a town. Okay, Maudaha is a town. Now fourth number is done. Fifth number, ice cream, ice skating, ice bucket, ice house. So ice done. Then we will look at the cream, shaking, bucket, house. So obviously B is there, then C. So first number, second number, and S and H. So H is in your 8th number, so it will be your third number. Skating will be your fourth number. So first number, ice bucket, second number, ice cream, third number, ice house, and fourth number, ice skating. Okay, it's done. We will repeat it again. Yes, what we will do, we will repeat it again. Okay, so crow, camel, cat, cow. So camel, cat, cow, crow. Second number, soap, sun, shampoo, ski. Ski, the meaning of ski is you can take it from sports, games. Okay. Shampoo, ski, soap, sun. Third number, pants, power, pack, paint. Pack, paint, pants, power. Fourth number, table, town, tea, soap, ticket. So, table, tea, soap, ticket, town. Third number, ice cream, ice skating, ice bucket, ice house. So, it's first number, ice bucket, second, ice cream, third, ice house, fourth, ice skating. Okay, now your D number exercise. Read the words in each group. Now write 1, 2, 3, 4 in the boxes to show the order in which you will find them in a dictionary. Now what we have to do? We have to find out these words. We have to find out these words. Can you see it? In your dictionary, and then we have to write there 1, 2, 3, 4 in which number they will come. So your first number is dark. It will in box you will have to write 1. Okay, now let's see, let's find out the second number. Yes, dog, because it is starting from D now. First, there is nothing which is starting. Yes. Then second number, donkey. Donkey will come in your third number. Okay. Third number is hall. That will come in your second number. Fourth number, highway. That will come in your second number. Okay. Knees will come in your fourth number. Bones in your first number because it is starting from B. Pineapple will come in your fourth number. In box you have to write fourth. Cucumber, first number. Dog, second number. Dusk, fourth number. Howl, third number. Hungry, third number. Heart, third number. Brain, second number. Grapefruit, first number. Watermelon, fourth number. Yes? Take screenshot. Okay, again we will look in this, read the words in each group. Now write 1, 2, 3, 4 in the boxes to show the order in which you will find them in a dictionary. Means we have to write, we have to arrange it, or we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 in such order that we can we can find it in a dictionary, how it is written in a dictionary. So dark, first number. So first we will find all the first number. Dark will come in your first number. Bones will come in your first number. Cucumber in your first number. Grapefruit in your first number. Now time for the second one. Hall will come in your second number. Dog will come in your second number. Highway will come in your second number. Brain will come in second number. Dog will come in second number. Okay. Now time for the third one. Donkey in your third number. Howl, third number. Hungry, third number. Heart, third number. Now time for the fourth number. Knees, fourth number. Pineapple, fourth number. Dusk, fourth number. Watermelon, fourth number. Okay? Yes. Now next exercise, that is, arrange these words in the order in which they appear in a dictionary. Now we have to arrange these words in such a order that they in which they appear in a dictionary. Prince, prick, proud, princess. Yes. Can you see it? Take screenshots. In this exercise, we will again need your this table. Again, you have to look in that table which I have told you to make. That is the alphabet in which the alphabets are written from A to Z. First of all, then the numbers are written there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's see in this. Everything is starting from P, right? Everything is starting from P. The other alphabet R. All the 4 words are starting from R. Then the other word is your I, O, I. So let's find out. I is your smallest, yes. So this is sure that proud will come in your 4th number. It's the sure thing. Okay, now I. So after I, N, and here it's C. So C is your smallest. So prick is your first one. I-N, C-E, right? Here it's double S, prince, princess, and here it's prince, only prince. So this will be your 3rd number, and this will be your 4th number. Can you see it? Yes, prick, prince, princess, proud. Yes. So, okay, can you see it? Yes. Another one is try, trap, trip, triangle. T, R. Then here it's Y, means this is surely it will come in your 4th number. A, your first number, 3rd alphabet. R, I, P, and it's written A. So this will be your 2nd number, and this will be your 3rd number. Can you see it? Trap, triangle, trip, and your try. Yes. Now your 3rd number. Escape, scared, skate, sky. SK. So it's S is there, and your 2nd alphabet is C here. So this will be your 1st number. Then all the 3, this is for sure will be your 4th number. Why? Because Y is there. SKA, your 2nd number, and escape is your 3rd number. Let's see. Scared, skate, escape, and sky. Now other one, rat, rod, roll, ring. Okay, so rat, this will be your 1st number because it's A is there. 2nd, rod, roll, ring. So O, I is coming in your 9th number, so this will be your 2nd number. O, this will be D because 4th number. So this is your 3rd number. and this is your fourth number. Roll. Yes. Now nib, knife, nibble, night. Obviously, nib, your first number, nibble, your second number, third number knife, and your fourth number will be night. Nib, nibble, knife, night. Okay. Sixth number, snake, snail, sniff, snack. Can you see it? Snake, snail, sniff, snack. Can you see it? Yes. Snake, snail, sniff, snack. So N. A is here. Either this will be your first number or this. But after A, C is there, and after A, K is there. So C will be your first number, second number, and SNAI. Sorry. This will be your second number. This will be your third number because of K, and here it's I. I is the smallest. And this will be your fourth number. Can you see it? Snack, snail, snake, sniff. Can you see it? Yes. Now take screenshots. We'll repeat this again. Arrange these words in the order in which they appear in a dictionary. Prince, prick, proud, princess. Prick, prince, princess, proud. Second number, try, trap, trip, triangle. Trap, triangle, trip, try. Third number, escape, scared, skate, ski. Sky, sorry. Scared, skate, escape, and sky. Fourth number, rat, rod, roll, ring. Rat, ring, rod, roll. Fifth number, nib, nice, nibble, night. Nib, nibble, nice, right, night. Snake, snail, sniff, snack. Snack, snail, snake, sniff. Take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Yes. Please learn the definition of dictionary. Have you learnt it? Because it's yesterday's homework. I think you should learn it. And I just hope that you have learned it. Alright, it's very easy. Now let's do a quick revision. Okay, what are alphabets? Alphabets are the words are A, B, C, D, okay, that are called your alphabet. Now if what can we have to arrange it in alphabetical order. So A is your smallest and Z is your biggest. So when we have to arrange, then we have to look at the at words first alphabet, right? We have to look at the first alphabet of a word, like it's written cow, crow, camel, cat, cow. So we will look at the first alphabet. Okay, everything is starting from C. Then we will look for the second number alphabet, that is R, A, O. If A are clashing, are the same, then we will look for the third alphabet, that is M and T. What is the smallest? M or T? What will come first? Yes, M will come. Okay. Yes. This is your quick revision. Please do practice. Take a screenshot, write in your copy, in your notebook, and please start writing or do practice. Okay.